That looks pretty good. What's up, plant nerds? It's Rachel with Heart-Shaped Leaves, and we've got a little update from our last video. So real quick, I want to cover a couple of things. A lot of times I record a couple of weeks ahead of time. I've got stuff that's going on, but there's been a couple of things that have happened on Instagram that I have to tell you guys about. So let's just take a really quick pause before we get to Spaghettygate and see some things that have been happening. Like this. This happened. I'm not trying to flex or anything. I'm just saying that this happened. So I just wanted you guys to know. Here's some memes also that I happened upon. I've been holding on to these for a while. Plant Meme Central, awesome plant meme account. This one's cute from Sprinkle My Dinkles on Instagram. Super relatable. I think I was that chunky through most of school. I don't have roommates, but I'm sure this is what it must be like. Relatable also. I don't know if you guys like Trailer Park Boys, but it's an excellent Canadian show. If you like that sort of thing, check it out. Planty Hose. If you guys aren't following this Instagram account, you're really missing out. This one's about pests. Super cute. I love it. He's super funny too. Lots of original content. Everyone's seen this meme, obviously. I love all things Ace Ventura. Casey sent me this one for reasons I'm sure you can assume, and this last one pretty much sums up how I feel about the USPS. So let's get to the results, ladies and gentlemen.
Evidently, I was wrong. Evidently, I'm trying to say this nicely to our audience. Evidently, all of our audience likes to throw spaghetti noodles on the wall, or has at least heard of it and thinks that's a rational, insane thing to do. So evidently, I'm in the minority on that opinion. I would like to thank the 4 people who did vote for Team Casey out of however many dozens of other people didn't. It was so bad that I did not request an official count. However, I would like to get my official. I would like to contest the vote, since that's the thing that we all do nowadays.
What? No.
Here's my thing. The vote it's not over until every last vote. No, I'm not done yet. As the loser, I'm not done with my concession speech. Okay, the election is not over until every vote has been counted. I hear that every year on elections, and I don't know why. I mean, I think that all of the Team Rachel people voted early, and all of the Team Casey people must work late at night, probably work a lot during the week.
Didn't learn anything.
And they're going to come in and vote on the weekend. But no, we can't wait. So I have to go ahead and announce that I have lost, and
like you're being forced into this. Oh, so I love this.
I don't accept the results of this, but I can't deny the actual tally that we have in hand.
All right.
That's about as close of a concession as I can make, because I still think it's crazy. But nope.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what the fun part about Spaghettygate and what happened. When we were at Six Flags, the whole time it was 99 to 100 degrees plus. We were on the blacktop. We were cooking. We could feel the skin on the backs of our necks just sizzling because it was so hot. And every 5 seconds or so, Team Rachel, spaghetti noodles on the wall all day, every day, and it was just, the
Sorry,
only
Casey,
thing,
but we're with Rachel on this one.
Like, the only thing that kept me going, besides those misters at Six Flags, was the constant and unwavering support of my audience.
Yeah, I had nothing to keep me going. I just had to sit there and get hot and lose.
You take it back. There were people who supported you.
I said there was 4.
There were people who said, like,
maybe 5.
I'm Team Casey. I'd rather eat my food than play with.
I already thanked my supporters on that contest. All right. Unfortunately, I could count them on one hand.
All right, well, this is going to be a really short video. We just wanted to come out and say thank you guys for commenting on that last video. It was pretty fun. He really did go look it up on Google that night.
It's not too late. If you've been sitting on your vote for Team Casey, we will retract this, and I will demand an official recount if I got to take it all the way to the Supreme Court. It does not matter. We will fight this to the end. We will make sure that your vote gets counted.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
That's a ridiculous amount of fighting for this issue. Once you actually know.
I was so sure that I was going to win.
What? Here's the deal. Here's what I don't understand is because don't you think that I'm a smart person?
Yes, I think. Don't you think I'm a smart person?
Of course I do.
Well, of course I think you're a smart person. But when I tell you something
like that spaghetti noodles get tested that way, how come I don't get like, you know what I mean? Maybe she's right. Oh, well, you know what? Rachel's worked in kitchens for, I don't know, 12 plus years. Maybe she does know how to cook spaghetti.
What's your point?
I'm just saying that instead of losing votes, maybe next time you can just take my word for it.
Well, I was going to take the opportunity to prove that I was right, but since that didn't work out, I will just wait until the next opportunity arises. I'm sure there will be something else come up, some derailed topic that we get off on that we can establish a new challenge. I'm sure you'll be wrong again, and I'm sure we can have another Team Rachel, you know, blowout or whatever it is that you want to do. We were actually supposed to be getting a philodendron. Blind following is what this is, a blind following. I have you know, I stand for equal rights, and I'm the husband in this situation, and my opinion should be respected as well. So we're supposed to have two alternate universes, one in which spaghetti noodles are thrown, and then we're supposed to let you have your own little universe in which spaghetti noodles are never thrown at the wall? Spaghetti noodles have never been thrown in my universe anyway, so I don't know what alternate universe you're talking about. But I know y'all don't agree with me. These are the ramblings of a man who's been beaten very, very badly. I wish I could argue with it, but it was not close enough to really argue, so all I can do is kind of throw a little temper tantrum here and you know, because it wasn't close. It wasn't close. I was waving the red flag, I will admit. All right. Unless somebody else wants to vote, then I will retract it. Nobody else wants to vote. I will retract my concession speech. Please. I wish, you know what? I want to go get, what's her name? Julia Childs. Someone commented and said that Julia Childs herself. Julia Childs herself, the woman, the master, the chef, threw noodles up against the wall. Yeah, shame on you. Like, literally, shame. Was Julia Childs crazy? Oh, do you want to start another spaghetti gate? Sorry. Sorry about that. Don't go there. Anyways, we just wanted to put this short video out and say thank you guys so much for participating. Thank you so much for commenting. We had such a freaking good time reading all those comments while we were on vacation. I was walking on cloud 9 the whole time because I was feeling all the planty love out there, you know what I mean? And cloud 9 was sitting right on my back and she was stomping on cloud 9 all over me. When you're wrong, you're wrong. What can I say? Anyways, so I guess we will talk to you guys next time. We will be having an unboxing coming up very soon. We've got some updates in the pipe. Yep. We've got some like dissecting our lighting, humidifier, and setup for our philodendrons in the pipe. And I also have an idea to do some other really funny things. So we will see you guys. At my expense, no less. What the hell? Why are you yelling that? Anyways, it's hurting my ear. I'm putting that in there. I'm talking to them. It's like they're way back there. I know. Stop. I always do that. I know. Stop it. You gonna pick now while I'm down? Yeah, I'm gonna pick you while you're down. Jeez. Boy. You need to step on up to cloud 10 and give me a little buffer zone. That's enough. We don't have time for all that. We love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for voting. Thank you for voting. Thank you for participating. I'll be back. We'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out. Later, taters. Bye.